Okay, so there's a little bit of a camber, but let's see. Jack it off. Okay, so lowered suspension and the low seat. They don't do the extra low seat apparently anymore. So I'm a 27-inch inside leg, 164 centimeters. So this is riding position. My left foot is totally flat-footed. This is both feet level, so I'm just about tippy-toe. So that's right. But then as soon as I lift my left one up, I can flat-foot. As you can see, so flat-footed now. Left leg up on the left pedal. If I stretch both of them to try to reach the floor, that's the closest I can get. As soon as I lift one, totally flat-footed, all fine. Same this way, totally flat-footed. It's neat. Feel it. Okay, right.